How to reach your archive story on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right. Now, head over to the section How you use Instagram. Under that, you'll find the option of archive. Click on it. Click on this drop down and set it to Stories Archive. With that, you're going to find the list of the stories that have been archived. Now open the story that you want to share. Once you have opened it, click on the option of share. With that, it's going to appear in this page. Now you are able to share this story as your story, but also you can make some changes, add text, stickers, music. Then click on your story. It will be uploaded. So this is how you can reach your archive story on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.